Thank you very much for everybody.
Hi, today I want to take you with me to WordCamp 2025 in Vienna to demonstrate how it was, my thoughts, my feedbacks, yeah, and I hope you will enjoy with me as I, and we need to come back in a few hours before. Yoo-hoo, I'm here Vienna, but the weather not is the best, and I will keep cross fingers that it will be changed soon, but I not hope on it because I saw weather broadcast, and yeah, it's not the best changes for changing, but how it is, it is. Yeah, so first point it is I need leave my suitcase in a hotel because check in from 3 p.m. but the first day of conference from 1 p.m. So I already in hotel, took cappuccino and ready to share my thoughts, my feedbacks about the first day of conference. The first part it is like I made check-in, I got my badge, I also got my t-shirt like this one, yeah, like this one, yeah, and it's small bonus from the first day. First preparation was lecture about how it will be, schedule, and the speaker told about lines of speakers because the first line was on German language, the second line of speeches was for designers, for not code developers on English, and was the third line was for developers, and usually it's like hard coding with very good knowledge about programming, about core WordPress, etc., and what you want you can pick, and it was very important and very good point. The first topic where I went, was speed WordPress optimization. It was for dev line, and the speaker demonstrated how we can optimize some query requests, creating special tables for a database. I took something interesting points for me which I can apply in my work. Then was coffee break. Everybody can take cappuccino, coffee, tea, except what you want, and some snacks. The second workshop I pick design accessibility widgets for WordPress. It was on Gutenberg builder, and author told interesting point about images for accessibility because it's very important. Write alt text, capture if it's not exist, how to write to name for alt images, etc., and I like it very much. Also demonstrated another tricks, and the speaker very good prepared because he had theory part and also he had practice part where demonstrating some tricks or challenges or how it's possible to handle. Then was again coffee break, we took cappuccino, snacks, etc., a little bit talk with another person, and I went to the third workshop. It was one workshop for everybody. It was about community in WordPress, how to organize this community, how we can contribute for WordPress area, etc., etc. Speakers prepared game. Everybody could join to the game. Then was 22 questions we answered, and who was right on all of them win. Yeah, it was interesting. It was funny because some questions was like jokes, etc., etc. I like this idea. So it was first day. I think it was interesting for you as well, because for me, yes, I think you see my exciting because it's something new. I am not in my area, what I do usually every day. I learned something new, and it's always need to do, and I recommend to you. Right now I made check-in, and it will be the fastest room tour on YouTube. So enter my stuff, 4 classes, cabinets, I think. Bathroom, I like it, pretty clean, and I like it. Rest area, sleeping area, and very interesting lampa, or what is name for it. Yeah. But in general, it's good for Vienna, because Vienna is expensive and this quality is pretty good. And the main point, it is I-25 from conference by walk. So it's pretty close, I like it, and why I picked this place. Oh, good morning. I already ready going to breakfast, and go with me. I am already come back to my apartment because I wanted to pay by card for breakfast, 15 euro, but it's not possible because if I pay by card, it's $50 take, even more. I see it the first time. So I took cash because I don't want to pay $50 by card. If it's possible to do 15 by cash. If you had the same cases, you can write in comments and share with it, because I see it the first time and it's not usual for me. How cool when it's not raining. And the second point is when I need just go straight and I will be on the conference. It's the good point for booking apartment when it's very close to conference and needn't spend much time for it. Yeah, and I like it very much.
Enjoy the day.
The first lecture was development guide, how to build websites without paying. I like this lecture, was very interesting, was very useful, very great point, because it's very similar to our process. Of course, we built a little bit another websites, but in agency where I work, but it is like logical, very correct, and I like it. And the speaker provide pretty good information, and I like it.
One last round of applause for Dominic, and let's
The second topic was custom interface with WordPress components. Speaker demonstrated how to build through React, and it was interesting.
The whole thing is an app component. You saw already the app component.
After it, we have lunchtime, and I went to coffee. Now I have breakfast in Pelican Coffee. If you will be in Vienna and you want somewhere drink cappuccino and ham sandwich, if you want it, I would recommend this place, very tasty. Next topic which I listen, it's multilingual WordPress, and it's pretty painful point in WordPress because not so easy with it, and speaker demonstrated some tricks how we can improve it or which ways choose for doing it. It was pretty informative, and yeah, it was good. The next topic which I listened, it was how to build simple website for small businesses from scratch.
I was asked like, Mario, this is 5 files, you need 55.
Then we have group photo and coffee break. The next topic was lead generation stack, and speaker talked about full process from reading article to lead, how track them, how to check analytics. It's very big plus for speaker, that very clear for me. I am not marketing person or seller, etc, but it was very interesting for me. The last topic was secrets of hostings, and speakers spoke about hostings, how better choose solution or settings for different hostings. It was very interesting because optimization process or improve your speed loading hosting is always actual, and yeah, I like it. It was very interesting.
Today I'm gonna share with you some tips on how to better communicate, how implement proactive support measures, and how to roll out product changes. Weekly digest of most common issues, for example via P2s.
And after that we have closing ceremony.
Did you enjoy it, people? This is possible because we have many sponsors. 258 people were here today. Thank you very much to everybody.
And it was after party, but I didn't went, and I went for a dinner. So time to go home. I prepared all my stuff already for checkout. If you like this video, click like, leave comment, subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.